Hello artists, let's finish our pumpkin project. I'm going to start with a yellow oil pastel, and near the bottom of my pumpkin I'm going to draw a horizontal line. Imagine that line going across and finish that line on the other side of the pumpkin. Now, below that line I'm going to color it in solid yellow. Make sure that you have an artist folder underneath your paper to catch any marks, because we want to color all the way to the edge. You can choose any colors you want, but I am going to stay with the colors that I used for my pumpkin so that I have a limited color palette. I'm choosing orange next, and I'm going to repeat the same process. I'll draw a line going horizontally from the side of the pumpkin to the edge of the paper, and then I will imagine that that line is going through the pumpkin, and I'll finish that line on the left side of the pumpkin. From that line down until I touch yellow, I will color it in solid orange. I'm going to repeat this step until I fill the entire background of my paper. Now I'm still using the same colors, so next I'll use red, then brown, then red again, orange, and finally back to yellow. You can create your own color pattern. Once your background is colored completely, get the black oil pastel and carefully trace on the lines between each color. Next, I'm going to use the black oil pastel to draw a variety of patterns using straight lines. This will show contrast because our pumpkin is made almost entirely of curved lines and dots. So by having patterns drawn entirely with straight lines, we will be able to see a difference between what's in front, the foreground, and the patterns in the background, the things in the back. If you need inspiration, you can use the patterns I used or the pattern sheet that I'll provide to you in class. Our final step in completing our Yayoi Kusama pumpkin project is to use the black oil pastel and retrace a thick line on the outside of the pumpkin. This will help the pumpkin to stand out from the background.